This is why saving money feels so hard. Let me guess. You tell yourself, this month, I'm going to save. You mean it. You even feel motivated for a day or two. And then life happens. A bad day, a small reward, I deserve this moment. And suddenly, your money is gone again. Here's the truth no one says out loud. Saving money isn't hard because you're bad with money. It's hard because you're human. And once you understand why it feels so difficult, everything starts to change. Idea number 1, saving feels like punishment. The first reason saving feels so hard is because it feels like loss. When you save money, your brain doesn't see future security. It sees something being taken away right now. You work hard. You're tired. You're stressed. So when you choose not to spend, it feels like you're denying yourself relief, especially if money has always been tight. Especially if you already feel behind in life. Saving feels like saying no when all you want is one small yes. That's why willpower alone never works. You're not weak. This isn't a discipline problem. It's a psychology problem. Your brain is wired to choose comfort today over safety tomorrow, and that leads to the second reason saving feels impossible. Idea number 2, you're trying to save after everything else. Most people save like this: spend on bills, spend on food, spend on stress, spend on impulses. Then they look at what's left and try to save that, which is usually nothing. So saving becomes this thing you fail at over and over again. And every time you fail, you trust yourself less. But here's the shift that changes everything. Saving isn't something you do after life. Saving is something you do before life happens, even if it's small, even if it's uncomfortable. Actionable step number 1, make saving automatic, not emotional. If saving depends on motivation, it won't last. Instead of asking, can I save this month? Change the question to, how can I make saving automatic? One simple move: the moment money comes in, move a small amount out. Not a big amount, not a painful amount, an amount you almost don't notice, because consistency beats intensity every time. Idea number 3, saving reminds you of fear. Here's another truth people avoid. Saving money forces you to think about the future. And for many people, the future feels scary. What if it's not enough? What if something goes wrong? What if I fall behind again? So instead of facing that discomfort, we spend to feel okay right now. Food, shopping, subscriptions, small dopamine hits. Saving feels hard because it brings up fear. Spending helps you escape it. Actionable step number 2, change what saving means. Stop thinking of saving as money I can't touch. Start thinking of it as money that protects future me. You're not depriving yourself. You're backing yourself up. Every dollar saved is proof that you're taking yourself seriously. That matters. Idea number 4, you're trying to change everything at once. Most people fail at saving because they try to fix their entire life overnight. They say, I'll stop eating out, I'll cut all fun spending, I'll save a huge amount, and it lasts about a week. Then guilt kicks in, then burnout, then quitting. Real progress comes from one rule at a time. Actionable step number 3, one rule, 1 month. Try this. Pick one simple rule for the next 30 days. For example, I save before I spend. No impulse buys on weekdays. I track every expense, even small ones. Just one. Discipline grows when it feels manageable. Ending, recap plus motivation. So if saving money feels hard, remember this. It's not because you're lazy. It's not because you're broken. It's because your brain wants comfort now, and safety later feels far away. But small actions change that. Save first. Make it automatic. Start small, one rule at a time. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Try one small step tonight, not tomorrow, tonight. And let's build a better future, one decision at a time.